Hey guys, it's Rhonda coming to you today, and I wanted to come to you today to share a little bit more information about my software business, which is the new opportunity that I have joined. I've done a couple other videos on it, but I just wanted to show you the homepage you get, your website that you get when you join. Okay, so this is my website. See it here, right in my browser up here. It's mysoftwarebusiness.com and Rhonda B. So this is mine, and you'll see as we get a little bit further down where it's going to have my picture and my name. So right here, it's a very professionally done website. It's very simple, straight to the point. I'll show you. I'm going to scroll down, and there's going to be a video. Let me move my picture over here a little bit. So as you scroll down, here's your first video, and this is a 9-minute video, and it's going to tell you a little bit about making money online. Give you a little bit of a blueprint here, one sale a day, how it all adds up, a little bit about making money online. It's a 9-minute video. Excellent video. I'm not going to play it for you here. I can play any of these videos for you here. I want to just keep this very informational. Then you're going to go down to a full business overview video. So this is a video done by Jeffrey Long, who is the CEO of the company. And this is, as you can see, almost an 18-minute video. And he is going to go over my software business, exactly what to expect, what you're going to be able to share with other business owners, other entrepreneurs, where this company is going, what they're looking to build here. Like I said before, this company is in pre-launch. It's going to be officially launching, I believe it's in March or April. So very exciting news. So you can see the direction of where this company is heading, and if it's something that interests you. So like I said, it's about 18 minutes long. So it really gives you a lot of information for people who want to learn about, if they want to join this opportunity. You're going to come down, and then it's just going to go to create your account. And as you can see here, it shows me, I am the reseller, Rhonda Brzozowiec. It has my email. It has my number. If you have seen this before, and I will put this number under this video wherever you're seeing it. This is the number that you get. It says share a phone number and let the AI do the work for you. So this is my personal number that I got when I joined the opportunity. Everybody gets their own number, and people can either call or text. When you join this, I highly recommend that you call and text your own number, just so you can see what potential clients, customers, people that are interested in it are going to be seeing when they do it themselves. This way you know what to expect, and in case they ask you any questions. It's going to go in. Once they do that, once they call or text this number here, that's where the AI bot kicks in, and that's where all the magic happens, right? This is what really makes this a really nice passive form of income, because the AI bot takes over from there, and it's going to give them all the information and answer their questions. The bot is going to do all that work for them. It's going to share your link, so you don't have to worry about any of that. It's taking care of all that preliminary stuff for you. That's what I really loved about it, right? So it's pretty cool there. And then it says right here, if somebody's looking at this, you should see the name and the photo of the person who invited you here. So this is a way for them to double check. You can tell them, hey, make sure you see my name and my picture, at the bottom as you scroll down to fill out the registration form. So now here's the registration form where they can create an account. Now at this point, they are just creating a free account to get a little bit more information. So they don't have to pay anything. They are not joining at this time, okay? But if they fill out this form for you, then that puts them into your system. So now they are cookied to you, right? So this way, when they do decide to join, either through the bot, or maybe you have your own, autoresponder system also that you're using on top of that to increase, your success rate, then when they click one of those links, it's automatically cookied to you. You don't have to, worry about that. Okay, so now I signed into my back office because I wanted to show you different kinds of payment methods. Like I said, this is a worldwide opportunity. There are multiple different ways you can get paid. So you don't have to worry about all these different countries and who takes what kind of payment platforms. I have multiple ones, so as you can see, we are in my account here. Here's my picture, my name, my email. Then I'm not going to scroll down, but your address and all that information is in there. But I wanted to go up here to payment methods. So here's payment methods. How do you want to get paid? I highly recommend the more you have, the better, because like I said before, depending on the countries, not everybody can take or accept or do the same payment methods. So I have a PayPal, you can hit Cash App, I have a Venmo, there's Google Pay, Apple Cash, Bitcoin, Zelle, and then Stripe. So you have all these different ways you're not limited to how many. So whichever ones you have, I highly recommend that you put them all in. So I have set up PayPal, I have Venmo set up, I have Bitcoin set up, I have Zelle, and I also have my Stripe, which it doesn't show here, but on the next page, you put your Stripe link in when you're doing that under integrations here. So if I go to integrations, there's my Stripe keys. So anyways, these are all the different payment methods so that you can definitely accommodate anybody no matter where they live in the world. So that was just another thing I wanted to go over with you here in the back office and the website that you get. Anyways, I hope this information was informative for you. I'm going to put my phone number and my website link, because you do get both of those when you sign up for this opportunity, beneath this video. And I'll also put a link to my Facebook if you want to send me a message on Messenger. If you have any other questions, I'm happy to answer them for you. So hope this helped, and hope everybody has a great day. Thanks for watching.